In this video, you'll learn how to log into your eBay credit card account. This process will guide you through accessing your account securely and managing your financial information effectively. Start by opening your preferred web browser and entering the official website address associated with the eBay credit card service. Many users access their credit card account through the financial service provider that manages the card. Ensure that you are directed to the secure login page indicated by a padlock icon in the address bar. This verification step is crucial for protecting once the login page appears, locate the field designated for your username or email address, carefully type in your registered username or the email linked to your credit card account. After entering your username or email, find the password field and input the password associated with your account. It is important to double check both entries for accuracy to avoid login issues. Additionally, some systems may prompt you for further verification, such as a one-time code sent to your phone or email. After entering your credentials, look for the button labeled Login and click it to submit your information. If your details are correct and any additional verification is completed, you will gain access to your account. Should there be any issues, the system may display an error message prompting you to recheck your details. Upon successful login, you will be taken to your credit card dashboard. This interface provides a comprehensive overview of your account, including your current balance, recent transactions, and payment options. Familiarize yourself with these features as they are essential for managing your financial activities. Regular monitoring your account allows you to stay on top of your finances. When you've finished managing your account, especially on shared devices, it is crucial to log out. Locate the log out option, typically found in the account settings or at the top right corner of the page. Logging out ensures that your financial information remains secure and prevents unauthorized access to your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.